Let's make a guide first for this specific reference, because I cannot paint directly for the architecture, and so this is an easy way for me to start my painting by making a grid and then just sketching. So here I am putting some acrylic with my knife and hands with my fingers, because I start the base with acrylic for my oil painting. It gives me a proper good structure. My oil paintings. The sky is going to take a lot of time here, so much scrubbing and fixing my highlights and lowlights in order to have a good mapping, because the base is like a mapping where you are giving yourself directions, like where to put your paint in the next layer. Here I am going to start impramatura, like covering my architectural sketching with the bronze cyan layer, a transparent layer. It's just acrylic paint with water, and I am just covering it with the big brush to preserve my sketch and to have a see-through in the next layer, so that I know where to put my paint. That's it. It is going to be a long painting, and there will be parts of it I'll start uploading. And if you have learned anything in this, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share it. And this is the part I have fast forwarded. Everybody knows how to make lines, paint lines on the Kaaba structure. And here I have started some detailings, not actually detailings, because detailing doesn't look like this. I'm just filling in some color right now.